Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech with Simon, and today I will show you how to download PYCHARM and install it on your PC. At first, let us grab a browser for our work. I am choosing here Mozilla Firefox as my browser. First we will go to Google and type PYCHARM and browse it. Then click on the link by jetbrains.com. Then you will see an interface like this written PYCHARM, the Python IDE for professional developers, and click download button. After clicking download, you will see an interface like this, and you have to choose your OS. It is Mac OS, Windows, Linux, anything. Then it is choose as Windows, as I am using Windows as my OS, and then you have to click the community one. Then click the download option and you will see something like this. Thanks for downloading PYCHARM, and then an option will appear and you have to click save file option and see it's downloading. After the file is downloaded, go to your downloads and check sure that it is downloaded. Make sure that Python is installed in your PC before downloading this editor. Then click on the icon, and when it gets opened, you will see something like this. Then you have to just click next option and nothing else. Then you will see something like this, and you have to just put a tick mark on everything, and you can customize of your own if you want. Then after clicking next, you will see it's installing, and wait until it installs. After getting installed, you will see something like this, and click the run option and then finish. Then you will see something like this and click OK. Then you have to choose a theme. I am choosing a dark color because it's more attractive. Then click next and this does. Then click start using Python and nothing else. Then your PyCharm is started. Then you have to click create new project. Then after loading, you have to choose a location for your project and you have to then create. So as you are using first time after the install of this editor, so it will take some time. Then after the loading is complete, you will see something like tip of the day, and you have to just click next if you want to read the tip, and most of the time you can cancel it. So guys, here is your PyCharm installed in your computer, and you can use it for editing any Python projects on your PC. So now I am going to open a Python file from my PC in this editor, and you will see how it works. After your editing is over, you can run it in in this editor only by going to run option, and let us see by running this one. You can see here it is running. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.